Good afternoon, teacher. Today I'm going to present my examen with the topic of tourist places in Ecuador. Next, in will the present in 5 tourist places. Number 1. Galapagos National Park. The Galapagos National Park is national park in Ecuador with the become this national park in the country and the order the visit it grow when the people goes the go authorship be the park and they arrive the visit, where we can see fauna shows as petrels, cormorants, and Galapagos hawk. Number 2, by condominiums local in the city of Guayaquil next the Guayas River in this urban regeneration project of the old Malecón Simón Bolívar. Activities that can be done where you can enjoy the grand monuments of history of Guayaquil, visit the park and the 10 different restaurants. Number 3. Yanganates National Park it is local in Ecuador, the province of Cotopaxi. In this park, where can find and wide of exotic landscapes have many of the unknown inaccessible. Also, Yanganates will come pressure uh, water waterfall waterfall spectacle 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 bear and rivers and much more. Number 4, unisa. It is a stratovolcanic local in the slope of Quito. Show and ice climb can be practical lot of ice cliff experience and equip is net due of exits of crowds and steep slope and dice. Number 5. Mitad del mundo. Half of the world's in tribute French Ganex mission that visit the country. By visiting the monument, you will be about to move forward in the north hemisphere and the other in the south hemisphere. Well, can perform various activities, shows and food in both hemisphere while when north and south also check the Coriolis effect. This this has been my presentation. Thank you.